Ngayon naman ay inaantabay na natin ang pagbabalik ng It's Showtime at ng mga suspenders. Isang buti nga or isang we don't care para kay Lala Soto mismo, lilik ng ice cream na sabay-sabay. I will have to be honest. Nahirapan ako. Parang hindi talaga ako bagay na makipag-deal with kids. And there were times na bibisit na rin sa'yo ang bata. Siya mismo ang sumusuko sa'yo and saying, no, enough na. Vice had hesitations with dealing with kids. And in fact, why not? Magiging parents na si Ayon and si Vice. I'm gonna put my chips casino. Makikita mo sometimes yung mga bata kind of trying to be too cute, trying to be like an adult. So sabi nga, parang Pasko yan na hindi pwedeng mangyari. And mukhang gustong-gusto nila raw, sabi nga ni Jong, na makasama itong si Vice. Ang alam ko kasama sa mga endorsements na bago ay McDonald's. So sige pa, targetin nyo pa si Vice dahil grabe. No? Aside from Shopee, she really has that face and she really is kilig-kilig. Grand winner na agad. Yun na yun. Oh my God. Parang mas gusto to sa Popeyes.
Miss Chicha is waking up.
ABS-CBN somehow has maintained that stature. Tinanong ko sa kanya, may multo ba rito?
Hoy mga kuya-kuy, this is Kuya Mike, ang kuya nun sa Amerika, and this is for the kuya-kuy list. Hopefully okay yung sound. And dito tayo sa Detroit dahil habang nagsiselebrate tayo sa pagbabalik ng Showtime at ni Meme Vice Ganda, magkakainan tayo, ha? Birthday ng aking brother-in-law. So, habang sinasabi ng mga namin lahat na kailangan papayat na kami, dito naman kami sa restaurant na all you can eat, karne, na paborito namin. So, ito yung Texas de Brazil. Yung sister ko at yung maganda kong pinsan, sa Lisa. Ayan. So, let's go to the salad bar. Here. Celebrate tayo with Meme. Nice.
Oy mga kuya-kuy, this is Kuya Mike again. Back now sa bahay natin. We just had a umaatikabong na kainan. Walang puknat na karnihan. So busog tayo. Ngayon naman ay inaantabay na natin ang pagbabalik ng It's Showtime at ng mga suspenders. Okay? So I'm hoping na kumpleto sila. I'm hoping talagang bongga ito dahil after all, 2 weeks na sila ay gumala-gala na magkakasama, which is really good bonding time, at least for most of them. Nagdun sila sa Hong Kong some probably 3 or 4 years ago, just before yung pandemic. Andun rin sila sa Hong Kong courtesy of Meme Vice, pero wala pa sila ron at that time si Ogie Alcacid at si Kim Chu. This time, magkasama ng dalawa, except wala naman sila Jugs, MC at Lassie, wala rin, and then who else ang wala dun? Chang Ami, wala rin dun. Of course, Jong. Si Jong naman, gumala-gala naman sa Disney World sa Florida kasama yung wife niya or partner niya and yung kanyang anak na si Sarina. They had a good time and isang buti nga or isang we don't care para kay Lala Soto mismo, yung palilik ng ice cream na sabay-sabay. Hindi ba? Sino kaya may pakana nun? Sino kaya ng libre? Palik ng ice cream ng mga ating suspenders. After which, pumunta naman si Vice at si Ayon sa Thailand dahil nag-celebrate naman sila ng kanilang 5th anniversary as a couple. And then, nagalit naman si Vice sa Philippine Airlines. So I don't know kung anong nangyari talaga doon. As in talagang nabwisit si Vice at nag-respond naman ang Philippine Airlines. So I don't know kung overbooked talaga yon or may nasira na sometimes kasi pag nasira talaga ang dalawang upuan or whatever na upuan, syempre mag-a-adjust ang company. And then sometimes, nagbibigay ng parang at least a bit of refund. I know that situation there. Ganun talaga ang buhay talaga ng isang traveler. Challenges lagi. Kahit sabihin mong pang nagbayad ka pa, it really does happen. This pagbabalik ng It's Showtime is the grand finals ng Mini Miss You. So, binabalikan ko rin ang mga experiences ko sa mga bata. Again, I have a master's in psychology. One of the things na ginawa namin was play therapy, obviously with kids. I will have to be honest. Nahirapan ako. Parang hindi talaga ako bagay na makipag-deal with kids. Deal with kids na casual lang, good. Yung makipaglaro, okay lang. Pero yung long-term, 1 hour of session na play therapy, let the patient do his playing. And then ikaw naman, as therapist, nakikisabay ka lang sa kung ano ang nangyayari. At times, parang you will have to question, nagtatanong-tanong ka sa bata, and trying to find out kung ano ang mga issues na nangyayari sa kanya. Usually, it's about family, about parents, about fears. Actually, mahirap ito kasi it's not the adults ang kausap mo na pwedeng magbigay on his own at kung ready na siya na makapagsalita. Ito, parang nakikisabay ka. Nagmamatsyag ka lang. And there were times na bibisit na rin sa'yo ang pasyente mo or yung bata na for therapy, para bang siya mismo ang sumusuko sa'yo and saying, no, enough na. And then sometimes you just can't establish rapport. Which ako nahihirapan ako. And I think even si Vice Ganda, inamin niya na when they had kids as contestants. So I think there's several of them na mga contests. Vice had hesitations with dealing with kids because hindi niya alam kung paano gumalaw with kids. Which is true dahil after all, mga adults ang kasama niya, mga joke niya, iba talaga ang pakikitungo sa mga bata. Particularly if you get to play with them or ask them questions. So, I understand yung feelings ni Vice. Pero right now, it seems marami ang bata ang natutuwa na sa kanya. And siya na mismo is open to have kids around. And in fact, why not? Possibly have her own kid. And magiging parents na si Ayon and si Vice. Who knows? Alright? Sa tulong ng siyensya at syempre, pera. Alright? So, aantabayanan natin to. I'm gonna put my chips, casino, all in dun sa bata from Quezon City na si Enika na kamukha raw ng anak ni Dingdong Dantes at ni Marian Rivera. Miss Enika, ito yung I love you family dahil napaka-cute na bata. And more than that, parang she is not forced to act. Makikita mo sometimes yung mga bata kind of trying to be too cute, trying to be like an adult, giving out all this interesting and funny even na mga lines, which kinagigiliwan natin. I will try to add more comments as I try to watch this. If kailangan ko nang matulog dahil may gagawin pa tayo tomorrow, I will be just surprised kung ano yung magiging kainatnan ng finals ng Mini Miss You. Rousing number there na mga comeback kids. Larger than life sila. We see their meme in the opening in crimson red. Hindi sila kompleto. Wawala si Vong, nawawala si MC at Lassie. Si Jugs na hindi nakasama sa Hong Kong ay absent pa rin. You know, it's just like regular Saturday special so far, ha? So sinabi na tuloy na ang magpasikat, alright? So sabi nga, parang Pasko yan na hindi pwedeng mangyari. Alright, so at tinatanong na nila sa isa't isa kung sino ang magkakasama. And mukhang gustong-gusto nila raw, sabi nga ni Jong, na makasama itong si Vice dahil maraming endorsements. Ang alam ko kasama sa mga endorsements na bago ay McDonald's. So sige pa, targetin nyo pa si Vice dahil grabe, no? Aside from Shopee. Alright, so nakita natin yung presentation or yung introduction ng mga bata ng Minimus U. And then they're all in white. Maganda in their Filipiniana dress. Alright, so in the meantime, babalik tayo, maybe not with the same shirt. Most likely this is going to be for tomorrow. Tapos na ang lahat, but I'm still betting on Enika. Okay mga Kuya-Kuy, this is Kuya Mike and this is for the Kuya-Kuy list. So, ipagpapatuloy natin ang Minimus U. Although, kahapon or kagabi, actually, napanood ko until nakapagsalita na si Miss Enika wherein she said ang message niya sa kanyang best friend ay magkaroon sila ng bonding time. And apparently, yung best friend niya is yung contestant or grand finalist from Caloocan. So, I am really still betting on this young lady na mananalo. She really has that face and she really is kilig-kilig. Alright, so let's find out. So, tutuloy natin to.
Under the supervision of our ABS-CBN internal audit representatives, Ms. Lenny Gregorio and
Grand winner na agad. Yun na yun. Grand winner agad. Akala ko may top 5. Oh my God. Walang top 5. Siya yung si girl. Girl. Oh my gosh. Congratulations, Miss Pampanga. Wow. Girl, ala ko parang si Rufa May Quinto. Magaling rin talaga siya. Pero I really thought in terms of dating, in terms of yung able to talk, I am surprised. I thought was an easy one. That was an easy one, ha? Na ang mananalo si Miss Enika. But in any case, all these young ladies, the best experiences actually of their childhood. So this is going to be memorable para sa kanila. Alright, so in the meantime, ito po si Kuya Mike of the Kuya-Kuy List. It's a brands, branding, and shopping channel for the global Filipino. Subscribe po kayo sa ating channel and hit on that notification bell. And also check on my website, thekuyakuylist.com. Again, ito po si Kuya Mike. Malamang nakaisa-isa at kauna-unang affiliate marketer na Filipino-American for online stores here in the United States. At ang kuya nyo sa Amerika. And this is for the Kuya-Kuy List.